Here we go, money talk.
Here comes the money.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stock Brother bringing you those bangers. Today we're going to talk about two stocks and one in particular that we made major bank on. Do me a favor before we get started, hit that like button guys. The likes are free, doesn't cost you a thing, and it will help me with the YouTube algorithm, so I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, take the time to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the Patreon. Join the family because we're growing and we're doing big things. Now before we get started, we're going to take care of some business and then we're going to get right into it. If you're new to the channel, this channel is about making that money, investing in stocks, and of course making more money. So before we get started, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and smash that like button. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and family so we can all get that paper together. If you want to support the channel, hit up the Patreon, and as a bonus, you get real-time alerts of when I enter and when I exit my stocks. It's an easy way for you to see what I'm doing and to follow along. We're getting that paper, baby. Now let's talk about METX Holding Group, ticker symbol METX. This stock closed at 62 cents for the day on Friday, and it was up over 3% for the day. Now they had a gain of close to 2 pennies. And a little bit about this stock. Now, METX Holding Groups is one of those hidden gems that I found. Now, we actually made bank on this one. METX Holding Group is a Chinese company that primarily focuses on English education. Now, this stock, or rather this company, is in transition. Now, we're going to talk about that a little bit later on, but right now, we're going to talk about the money that we made selling this stock. I'm going to explain to you what you see on the screen here because I know the numbers can probably be a little confusing to some of you. Now, here, this is the amount of shares that I purchased of the stock. This is the cost. This is what the stock cost me, $5,100. Here, you see that 8,000 is the combination of these two numbers here. So that's the total of my principal and the gain. And this is the gain. What you see highlighted here, this is the gain. So I made $3,400 on this stock. So as you know, I'm always looking for those hidden gems. Now on September 13th, I sent out my stock alert to my Patreon family. Now I bought the stock and then we held on to it until October 29th. So a little over a month we held on to the stock. And what I always say is, if you're gonna be in the stock market, you gotta have patience. Now when we swing these stocks, okay, sometimes we can hold on to them for a day, sometimes it could be a week, 2 weeks, it could be a month, or it could be several months. But the key is having patience. And I just want to say that when I first started making videos, my very first video, I posted my account balance, so for the world to see. Now, I noticed a lot of these other YouTubers out there that have way more subscribers than I do. They have hundreds of thousands of subscribers. When you look back at their past videos, you never saw that. They never showed their accounts. It's up until recently they started doing that because they started making all this money from YouTube views. Now, I'm the real deal because I made my money primarily through the stock market, through blood and sweat, okay? I fell down a couple times, but I picked myself back up, all right? But I didn't make my money. You can see my subscribers. I don't have a lot of subscribers, okay? So I made my money through the stock market and not through YouTube views, all right? So a lot of you guys getting fooled because now these guys, they're showing you their big accounts now, but back then, they never showed you anything, all right? So they're making money, they're fooling people, making money that way, but that's on them, all right? But I'm the real deal. So you guys, like I said, sign up for the Patreon, okay? Very simple to do. You know, join the family so we can get that paper together, like I said. I may not have the charisma as these other guys, but one thing I do have is the smarts. And my subscribers are seeing that, and that's why I'm getting the love that I'm getting. when you sign up, you're investing in yourself. This could be a life-changing experience for you. But anyway, I digress. Let's get back to the stocks. Now on September 1st, METX announced a proposed public offering of ordinary shares and pre-funded warrants. Now, when that news came out, it tanked the stock. Now, as you can see, the news came out on the 1st, and the very next day, the stock tanked. It hit 39 cents. So it went from 92 cents all the way down to 39 cents. So, and like I mentioned previously, we got in on September 13th on the low. Now, the reason why I got into the stock was because that same day, METX made another announcement. Now, they also announced that they were going to adopt a new initiative to develop blockchain and cryptocurrency business. Now, in this article, it states the company has been exploring the feasibility of blockchain and cryptocurrency business beginning from 2020. As disclosed in a series of press releases in 2021, the company had devised a blockchain technology strategic plan intended to introduce Dogecoin reward mechanism and applied non-fungible token (NFT) for digital copyright in online education. By leveraging the experience in applying blockchain technology, NFT, and Dogecoin reward mechanism on LikeShoe, the company plans to build a new business division and set up a professional team to promote blockchain and cryptocurrency business in the following 2 to 3 months. Now, knowing this information, I immediately decided that I wanted to take a closer look at the stock, and ultimately I decided to get in because of this information, because I know right now crypto is hot. Okay, blockchain, anything blockchain and crypto is hot right now, so I knew they had a bright future. Now on October 28, the company announced that they were going to have a strategic partnership with AMG Group Holdings for blockchain and cryptocurrency mining business. Okay, so in this article, it states that pursuant to the agreement, both parties agreed to primarily cooperate on the research and development of blockchain applications and the establishment of a supply chain for cryptocurrency mining business. The agreement contains an initial order of AGMH's cryptocurrency mining machines from METX and an option for METX to purchase additional machines later. Now, this was some great news that came out from the company, and it caused the stock to pop as well. Now, there has been rumors that China might be backtracking on the cryptocurrency ban. Now, if these rumors prove to be true, then METX has a very bright future. I can see this stock heading towards $1 or maybe more. So again, we'll continue to keep our eye on this one, and if there's a dip, we'll definitely get in. Now, the next stock on the list is Plug Power, ticker symbol PLUG. This stock closed at $38.27, and they were up over 3% for the day. Now, they had a gain of $1.16. Now, Plug Power was a stock that we did discuss back in September, and at the time the price was $26. So the price has appreciated substantially, so that's a good thing for us. I'll provide a link down below to that video. Now, if we take a look at the year range, you can see that Plug Power ranged from $13.69 all the way up to $75.49. Now, a little bit about Plug Power. Now, it's an American company engaged in the development of hydrogen fuel cell systems that replace conventional batteries in equipment and vehicles powered by electricity. Now, Plug Power had some news that came out on Friday. Now, the title of this article is Plug Power, a Rising European Hydrogen Force. Now, within the article, it states that the hydrogen specialist disclosed it has signed a memorandum of understanding with French-based green hydrogen producer Life, which states that the two companies will cooperate on hydrogen generation in Europe. Specifically, the pair intend to develop green hydrogen plants sourced by renewable energy such as offshore wind, with the endeavor producing green H2 for on-road and off-road mobility applications. Additionally, The companies plan on working together to develop US-based offshore wind electrolyzer facility. The initiative calls for total hydrogen capacity of 300 megawatts by 2025 and will also leverage Plug's electrolyzer systems to develop a 1 gigawatt production site. So Plug has a lot of things going on, so this is another bit of good news for them. Now also, I believe that they're going to benefit from the infrastructure plan that the government is working on. It's already passed the Senate. It has to get through the House, but I think this is going to happen. It's eventually going to happen. It's going to be something that's going to be good for this company. Now, if we take a look at tip ranks, we can see that 15 analysts are covering Plug Power, and 12 analysts have it as a buy, 3 have it as a hold. The median price target is $44, with the highest price target being $78. This stock has a lot of room to grow, and I think that they will be successful in the long term as well. So what do you guys think? You think that METX is gonna shoot up to $1? You think your boy is right about this stock? Let me know in the comment section. And also, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. The likes are free, guys. And check out that Patreon, guys. Get down with the family. Alright? So until next time, let's get that paper.